Hello everybody, so today, as you can see, we have two unopened boxes of Archive Signatures 2019 Active Player Edition. Got these two card holders set up and ready to go. I have opened Archive Signatures before, one time, and it was 2019. It was not on video, sorry guys. But I put a Kyle Seager on Card Auto. So, let's just get ripping into this box. As you can see, I also got a new desk, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so let's get into these box openings. Did I get it? Nope. Nope, not again. Alrighty, so let's get into it. Pack opening, number one. Freddie Freeman, 1/1. 1/1 Freddie Freeman rookie auto. Wow. First card opening, and we pull a 1/1 Freddie Freeman auto. Rookie. Look at this bad boy. Wow. That was the best box. Holy crap. Holy frick. That was a great first box. Holy crap. I was gonna wait for the opening. Look at that 1/1 Freddie Freeman. Wow. I was gonna wait because I have a 2013 museum collection and 2019 museum collection, along with Tier 1 and think 2013 museum collection, 2019 museum collection, 2019 Immaculate, and Tier 1 coming. So I was gonna wait to do these later, but I thought I might get a 2-box break-in since I haven't posted in a while. Okay, let's get into the second one. I can't believe we just pulled that Freddie Freeman. Holy crap. That was great, if you ask me. Watch us pull like another 1/1 Trout or something. That would be awesome. Watch us pull a 1/1 Trout. Watch it happen. And Ian Happ, 12/62. It's a nice cubby. Again. Whew. Holy crap. So we got this Ian Happ to 62. And now it's Freeman 1/1. How does that happen? I really don't know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be back.